Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Hyundai Venue, a compact SUV that combines style, efficiency, and innovation. Let's explore what makes this model a game changer in its category. The 2025 Hyundai Venue is designed for efficiency and agility in urban environments. With its responsive handling and compact size, it offers a nimble driving experience perfect for city streets. The Venue is ideal for those seeking a balance between performance and fuel efficiency without compromising on fun behind the wheel. The lack of a significant engine update suggests Hyundai is focusing on reliability and maintaining the Venue's value proposition. Inside, the 2025 Venue impresses with a modern and ergonomic interior. Expect a well-appointed cabin with quality materials, user-friendly technology interfaces, and ample cargo space. Despite its compact size, the Venue offers comfort and convenience features that rival larger SUVs, enhancing the overall driving experience. Hyundai plans to release the 2025 Venue in early 2025, aiming to make it available for purchase shortly thereafter. While specific pricing details are yet to be announced, Hyundai is committed to offering competitive pricing that reflects the Venue's value proposition in the compact SUV segment. The 2025 Hyundai Venue sets a new standard for compact SUVs with its blend of style, efficiency, and practicality. Whether you prioritize urban maneuverability, advanced technology, or affordability, the Venue promises to deliver. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to like, subscribe, and share for future automotive insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.